it feels safe in the room, but it's not a nice place to be. I know it feels warm in this room, but the dust is drying my throat. I know it feels good in this room when I close my eyes and ears. Outside it's cold and unknown, and the door is made of tears. So follow the bird, he will take you to where you find your true self, so you can feel free with no strings anymore. Into the snow and the cold. I'm looking around in the room, but I can't even see what's there. Oh, this place I call home is taking me nowhere. I don't wanna feel safe in this suffocating cage. I completely forgot my name for the freedom I'll go through pain. So follow the bird, he will take you to where you find your true self, so you can feel free with no strings anymore. And trust that you will find warmth, that you will feel safe, and maybe in the cold unknown you will find what you have been dreaming of. So follow the sound, it will take you to where you find your true self, so you can feel free with no strings. And follow your senses, who've been screaming at you for so many years now. And follow the bird, he will take you anywhere, anywhere.